hard work. Look, gotta make them listen, recognize that hard work. Hey, gotta keep the mission, gotta say that hard work. Stay at this hard work, yeah.
I'm working hard and now it's evident. My white tee is looking elegant. My pockets only pocket presidents, while I'm making moves and taking precedence. I kill a show and then I take a trip. These other rappers can't relate to this. I'm making dough but then I'm saving it. Read your text, girl, it's just gonna take a sec. Cause I'm grinding all of my life. My family's good and my mama's proud, so I'm cool with dying tonight. But I'm going farther, I gotta prosper. I swear to God I ain't done. Infinite had a daughter, now we both are fathers, and all these rappers my sons. Representing for my day ones, never switching, never say none. Working hard and had to save up, now we living good, our days come. Put your glasses up if you working hard. If they doubted you and they gave you odds, now it's time to toast, giving thanks to God.